Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. This is just going to be a quick update. I just wanted to talk to you guys that I do have some more videos coming up. Some videos I made on my computer, but my laptop right now I'm having an issue with it. So I think my Wi-Fi card is getting bad on it. I am going to see if I can replace it. It's an old laptop. It's like 8 years old. I need to get a new one, but I usually use things until they don't work anymore. So yeah. So I need to get that fixed. And also, there's been an update. Some of you may have watched some of my other videos where I said you get the team bonus training at the G1000 if you come in at that. It's actually at all levels now. So if you come in at the G100, the G250, the G500, or the G1000, or even the G2000, you'll get the team bonus training as well, on top of all the training that you get within the system. Exitus Elite is very high quality. It really is. The reason why I love it so much is because anyone can learn how to do this. Anyone can learn how to really make life-changing income, and it's not impossible. A lot of us idolize movie stars and sports figures who make millions of dollars. I'm not saying you're going to make millions of dollars, but you can make six figures with this, potentially with this opportunity. Will you make it right away? I don't know, because I don't know how fast you can learn, and I don't make promises. I am a realist. Everything, like I said in my video before I made a few days ago, it takes consistency, it takes action, but you have to believe in what you do. I only join businesses I believe in, and I wouldn't be making all these videos that I made over the last few weeks if I didn't believe in this business. And all I can say is I like Exitus Elite. It's definitely the best opportunity I've ever been in. I love Power Lead System, and I'll always be a member of Power Lead System. And I do have videos on Power Lead System if you want to take advantage of the marketing tools in Power Lead System as well. But Exitus Elite is my front-end business. Power Lead System is my back-end business. I was using it as my front-end business for a while, but now Exitus Elite has taken that position. So if you want to learn more about Exitus Elite, it is in the description below, and you can watch all my other videos that I've made, and I have a lot more content coming out. I am not stopping. I love this opportunity, and you can call me if you want. I'm accessible, and that's pretty much it. So I just wanted to make those few updates right here because I've been wanting to make a couple of videos on Exitus Elite and also the Exitus Elite products, which I can only use my laptop for that. I did talk about it in one of my videos last week where I talked about the products, but this is going to be an in-depth product review of the products themselves. So hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload new content, and leave a comment below if you want to ask me something. All right, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.